Welcome to the next installment in our Business Trends series. Are you a small business owner looking to stay ahead in 2023? Then, you won't want to miss this. The importance of environmental, social, and governance principles is growing in the business world, and it's becoming more important for brands to prove their commitment rather than just make pretentious claims. In this video, we'll dive into why ESG is a key trend for small businesses in 2023 and how it can help differentiate your brand, reduce risks, and embrace new opportunities, and build trust with customers. In 2023, it will be increasingly important for brands to demonstrate their commitment to environmental, social, governance principles, rather than just making pretentious claims about them. Consumers are becoming more aware of greenwashing and social washing practices and are looking for brands that can prove their ethical credentials. ESG is becoming a key trend for small businesses in 2023. An ESG strategy can help businesses to be transparent about their environmental and social responsibilities and show how they are reducing risks and embracing new opportunities for growth. Research has shown that businesses committed to ESG have seen profits rise by around 9% over the past 3 years. Consumers, employees, suppliers, and influencers are all likely to be more interested in doing business with brands that share their values. By focusing on an ESG strategy, small businesses can differentiate themselves and show why they should be trusted as a sustainable business. It will also help them to build on the trend of marketing with a purpose. Small businesses can also make a big impact in their local communities by leveraging their strengths and turning them into a tangible, competitive advantage. Government-backed support schemes are available for small businesses, which could help with ESG areas, such as reducing carbon footprint and ethical leadership. Here are a few reasons why ESG is trending right now for UK businesses. Consumer demands. Consumers are becoming more conscious of the importance of ethical and sustainable practices and are demanding that businesses adhere to ESG principles. This trend is likely to continue in 2023 with the cost of living crisis, so businesses need to be agile and responsive to changing consumer needs. Government policies. The UK government has set ambitious targets for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and increasing the use of renewable energy, and businesses that can demonstrate their commitment to ESG principles are likely to be more attractive to customers, investors, and regulators. Competitive advantage. By investing in ESG, businesses can gain a competitive advantage by differentiating themselves from their competitors and appealing to eco-conscious consumers. Access to funding. Businesses that are able to demonstrate their commitment to sustainable and ethical practices may be more likely to secure funding from investors, banks, and government grants. Robust and transparent business. An ESG strategy shows what businesses are doing to be environmentally and socially responsible. This helps businesses to reduce risks and embrace new opportunities for growth, such as meeting future environmental legislation. Building trust. Building trust with customers is especially important at a time when many consumers are wary of greenwashing and social washing and are looking for brands that can prove their ethical credentials. In conclusion, ESG principles are becoming increasingly important for UK businesses in 2023 as consumer demands, government policies, and access to funding are focusing on this trend. Adhering to ESG principles can also provide a competitive advantage and help build trust with customers. Are you a business owner looking to grow your business but struggling with the cost? Well, you're in luck. With the use of tax incentives, you can offset the costs of your growth and expansion. Picture your business with more money to invest in new projects, new equipment, and hiring more staff. Imagine how much more successful your business could be with those extra resources. Now, the solution is simple. Take advantage of the various tax incentives available to UK businesses and watch your business soar to new heights. Don't wait any longer. Reach out to us today in the link below and let us help you maximize cash flow to scale your business growth.